Good morning, readers. Today we're going to do a quick analyzing information text review. So our learning intention is the student will be able to analyze informational text, and our success criteria is we're going to be able to complete an analysis of an informational text by providing text evidence for text features, text structures, central idea with supporting details, and author's purpose. So just a quick refresher, what is text structure? Remember that text structure is how the information in a text is written or organized, right? So remember that we have description. Remember that describes a topic using adjectives, right? We have time sequential that presents an idea or an event in the order which things happen. So some keywords are first, second, before, later, then, finally, after all. Then we have compare and contrast, which shows two or more ideas, events, or topics that are being categorized into similarities and some differences. Keywords include, opposed to, unlike, alike, differences, similarities, opposites, the same. Then we have cause and effect, which provides explanations or reasons for why things happen. Some keywords are therefore, nevertheless, due to this, as a result, because of this, and the reason why. And the last one is problem solution. Remember, it tells you about a problem. And then it gives you one or more solutions. Some keywords include the problem, the dilemma, something that would help, a way we can solve this, the answer to this is. And so this are these text structures that we have been reviewing the past few weeks. Then we're going to go into central idea. Remember, the central idea is the big point and statement that the author is communicating to the reader. And you need to have supporting details. These supporting details provide information to clarify, to prove, or support and explain the central idea. Remember, for example, in the beginning, we did the story of salt. Remember that the story of salt's central idea was, although salt is simple to us, it has been important in the history of the world. Supporting details included how salt is a compound, salt is found in nature, salt was discovered to be a preservative. Remember that countries try to control who sold the salt. Who controlled the salt, controlled basically the world and the money. Countries fought wars, and they made treaties to trade salt. And then, of course, technology has allowed us to realize that we actually have plenty of salt. So the last thing that we're going to look at is author's purpose. Remember that author's purpose is the meaning or the point the author is trying to share with the reader. This means that the informational articles are, yes, to inform. We know that all these informational articles are to inform, but what specific purpose does it have beyond that? Remember, are they informing to describe, to show, to tell, to explain, or to compare? Remember that in order for you to accomplish author's purpose, you need to think about the central idea, the text structures, the message and the text features that are being used in the article. So now we're going to read The Treasure Ship Delivers Gold, and our goal is to analyze and complete the Analyze Informational Text worksheet.